Alright, what's going on, guys? Just an update on what I'm doing. About to try to crank it this weekend. My plans is to have it cranked by Christmas. So I got today the 17th. I got 8 days, and I'll be off. I'll be off the week of Christmas, so I have time to play with it after next Friday. But this is what I ran into. I got a new alternator. I'm just now. It's been sitting up. I had most of this stuff purchased, but this is what I ran into on my swap. So this is the pigtail for like 2006, early 2007 model. I guess Tahoe, Silverado, whatever you want to call it. I don't know if the cars have the same alternator, but this right here is the old style. And I ended up buying a new style. It's got 145 amps. So you can see that pigtail is not connecting with this one. So I talked to some guys I'm in the group with, and told me I need to get, let's see here, where's the part number at on this? I need to get this piece here, and they got a video on how to put it on. Part number D3579, and what that is this alternator regulator. And you can see here, it's going to convert that. Let me take it out so you can see what I'm talking about. With one hand, so bear with me, guys. Let me set that down for a minute so you can see what I'm talking about here. And it's cold out here, man. I've been enjoying this warm weather, but we're gonna get some cool weather. In Mississippi, we have 4 seasons in one day sometimes. So today we got cold, and it's warming up as the day progresses. But see, you can see here, this is a 4-pin with 1 wire, and this alternator is 2-pin, and it actually take 2 wires. So talked to a guy I'm in the group with, and he told me to take this piece here. You can see it. And I'm gonna take this cap off, screwdriver, take all this off, and it's got some stuff. They got a video on how to do a 2-pin to a 4-pin. You can see that cover come off. It's got a couple of spots right here. I take the flathead screwdriver, and it'll pull that clip out in there right there. And I'm gonna take some solder off this one, and I'm gonna put this one on. Got 3 bolts, I think. I can't see which locations it is right now, but I'm about to get it done. But the company, they had 3 left, and I bought one and had it overnighted, and they sent me all 3 of them for the price of 1. So, got blessed there. So man, it worked out, man. I always have some extra ones. I like keeping parts in case I ever need them. If this ever go bad or something, I have it. I know. Talked to a guy who telling me how to rebuild alternators, so hey, I'm willing to learn. So that's what the deal is today. So I got my computer, got it back. I got an 0411 computer. I got it. I got the VATs deleted and a little small tune until I can get it running and do my rear end and stuff. But I have to go do my drive shaft. I couldn't get the rear end I wanted, so I'm gonna play around with this rear end I got. If I get it running by Christmas, I'm gonna try to at least drive it. So, and see what it is. Make sure I don't have any issues with it. And I gotta get my radiator and my air conditioning lines and all that. I got a radiator, but it's bigger than what I paid $800 for from Be Cool, and it ain't fitting in the housing. So I'm stuck with it. So either I have to modify this in here or get rid of it or sell it or something, but that's where I'm at. So right now I'm just trying to get everything out so I can crank it, put my bolts in, put my throttle body on, run my wires to my starter, and I changed my mind on running my alternator. This was my old, not alternator, but this is my old wire to my distributor. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna run it to my power wires So I was gonna run them to the starter because they have these little rings on them. They in here somewhere. But I'm gonna clip them, and I'm gonna tie those into my old distributor wire. But they in here somewhere, so that's why I get my power at from the computer instead of getting it from my starter. So it's down there between the headers. So that's where I'm at. So I'm about to pull this alternator, unbolt it, and put this regulator in, man. Y'all stay tuned. God bless. Be safe. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Y'all be safe out there. And if I don't upload another video, I hope I do before Christmas. Man, I just want to say, man, thanks for watching, man. God bless you guys. And, man, I hope this inspires other guys to, you know, build their cars, man. Got a little process to go. I figured out what paint I want to go. It's going to be a surprise. Hopefully my wife will approve of it. But, hey, y'all stay blessed out there.